This is just a quick video on the Truma CP Plus control panel. Now the reason it's got this black surround here, you'd normally just see this, is because we're in my 2013 Swift Sprite and we've changed the control panel from that to that. So all we do is press the big dial in the centre. There's only two controls, the big dial and the back button, which returns you to the main menu. So press the dial. And then you've got the main screen. Now if you haven't already done so, if you scroll down to the clock symbol here, again give it a press, you can set the clock. So if it's not right, all we do is turn the dial until you get the right time, and then you can go back to the main screen. Now to set the internal temperature of your motorhome or caravan, we just turn the dial until this is flashing and give it a press. It's off at the moment and all we do is turn the dial to whatever temperature you like. And once you've got the correct temperature, give it a press, and it's as simple as that. When the main control panel lights go out, you will see the flame flashing until it's up to temperature, and the same with the water above there. Now to set the water temperature in your boiler, we need this symbol. So we just turn the dial until this flashes and we give it a press. Now you can either have off, 40 degrees, 60 degrees, or boost. Now I've got no water in the tank at the moment, so I'll just turn it off. But just be aware that if you put it on boost, the power for the boiler can be diverted, just heating the water. So if it's a cold day, you might find the caravan takes a little while to heat up. Now you can select whether you want it to be powered by gas or electric or a mixture of both. So go onto this one, give it a press, and you can either select electric 1, electric 2. Now electric 1 is 900 watts, electric 2 is 1800 watts, so just be careful what power you've got of the bollard. Or you can have mix 2, which is gas and 1800 watts, mix 1, gas and 900 watts, or just gas. And you can also select the fan speed. So if you turn it onto the fan, so it's flashing, give it a press, and you've either got eco, which is a low fan speed, or high. I tend to leave it on eco unless it's really cold. Make sure it's on eco at night as well, because when it comes in, we have the beds at the front that we make up above the boiler, and you can hear the fan. Occasionally it'll wake you up. So just make sure it's on eco at night time, and then give it a press. Another feature with the fan is if we turn the heating off, and then we go to the fan, if it's a hot day, you can go onto vent. Now that will just blow cool air through the ducts, and you can have on any position from 0 to 10. So if we go for 5, and that will just blow cool air through the caravan. So if we turn it off of vent, just go to vent, off, give it a press, and that's turned it off and you're back to the main menu. This little symbol here just tells us that we're on mains hookup, and this one is just the settings. Now if we go into index, that will just tell you what system you're on, and you can also do things like set the brightness control of the panel and the language, but both of those are fine, so we'll leave those alone. And that is a quick overview of the control panel for the CP Plus. The only other thing to watch out for, if you get a problem, you'll have a little warning triangle here. And the only problems I've had have been if I've selected for electric only and we've lost power at the bollard. Apart from that, it's great, and it just allows really fine control over your heating.